Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to archive a bot on the Telegram app for PC. This feature is handy if you want to tidy up your chat list without deleting any conversations. Let's get started. First, make sure you've updated Telegram to the latest version. The new update makes managing chats and bots a lot smoother, and you'll notice a cleaner design for your chat sidebar. Once your app is open on your computer, glance at your chat list on the left-hand side of the window. This is where you'll find all your active conversations, including any bots you've used. Now scroll through your list and locate the bot you want to archive. It might be one you use frequently or one that's simply taking up space. Archiving it won't delete it, it just hides it from your main chat list until you need it again. Once you've found the bot, move your mouse pointer over it. Then, right-click directly on the bot's name. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that list, choose the option labeled Archive. It's usually near the middle of the menu. As soon as you click it, the bot will instantly disappear from your visible chat list and move into your archive section. If you want to see your archived chats later, scroll to the very top of your chat list. You'll see a new category called Archived Chats. Click on it, and you'll find all your archived bots and conversations safely stored there. You can open them anytime, send messages, or even unarchive them by right-clicking and selecting Unarchive. Archiving is a perfect way to stay organized, especially if you have multiple bots or busy group chats you no longer need cluttering your main screen. It's quick, reversible, and helps keep your Telegram workspace neat. And that's it. You've now learned how to archive a bot in the Telegram app on PC with the latest update. Keep your chats tidy, find what you need fast, and enjoy a more streamlined messaging experience.